I'm Bevav. Welcome to a new episode of Crime Show. Often a bullet can take lives of many people and a garland full of flowers give you happiness. But this man had a gun in one hand and a garland in other hand. What is the story behind this? Come, let's see.
We had food from outside from a long time.
Yes, after some time.
So tired. I am extremely tired today.
Yeah, I was thinking we can go outside once in a week, isn't it?
Really?
Yes, of course.
Promise, okay?
Yeah, of course, I promise.
You are so good.
Who is this now?
So, here's my problem started ringing.
Arey, let me check who is this. Oh. Hello. Hi, uncle. How are you? Namaste. How did you call today? I want to come to Agra. Huh? Just to travel. Yes, your uncle's house is here. You can come anytime. Okay then, uncle. I will come within 2-3 days. Please come. Yes. Okay, fine.
What was Sonu speaking?
He was saying that he want to visit Taj Mahal. He is coming for 2 days here.
Then you would have said yes.
Yes. See, Sonu is a very lovely guy. And he'll only stay for 2 or 3 days. And I know he will enjoy his company very well. Hey, please don't spoil the mood, huh? Please, huh? This is done. You?
I am the new maid.
And who asked you to come here?
Ma'am kept me.
Okay.
I joined few days ago.
Okay, fine. Okay, you do your work.
Okay. Listen, I wanted to talk something.
Yes, please.
Please tell ma'am that increase my salary. Always. She makes me work a lot and salary is still the same.
Okay then. How much you want?
That you increase accordingly, but ma'am pays me very less salary.
How much she is giving to you?
What should I tell you? I feel so ashamed about it.
You tell me, no? Then only I can do something, you know?
Actually, the thing is, where I used to work at that place, even they said the same thing and removed me out of the house and even didn't pay my salary.
Arey, I will give it to you. Please tell me, no?
Ma'am just pays me 5,000 for every month.
How much do you want more? Huh?
At least 15,000 to 20,000.
15,000, 20,000? Are you crazy or what?
I have not gone mad. You give me so much of work. Not you. Ma'am gives me that work. Dusting, mopping, washing clothes, and she doesn't allow me to use the washing machine.
Listen to me. I'll give 10 to you.
No, 10,000 is not enough. I want 15,000 at least. Otherwise, I'm leaving from here.
You please listen to me. Ma'am has given you 5,000 rupees and if I give you 15,000 rupees, she will kill me. How will I manage that? Tell me.
Don't tell ma'am anything.
But I will have to tell her, no, how I am paying the money.
That is your lookout.
Okay, I'll give you 12, okay?
No.
Okay, listen to me. You have joined today only, no?
Yeah.
You work for 3 months and then after that I'll raise your money, okay?
3 months should I work for free or what?
Who is saying to do for free? I'm giving you 12,000, okay?
No. Not a penny less than 15,000.
Please listen to me. I am requesting you. Please do it for 12. After 3 months, I will pay you. Okay?
Sure?
Yes, for sure.
Sure?
For sure.
Yeah.
I will give you 15.
Okay.
Okay, very nice. What is your name?
Suman.
Very nice, very nice. Please do your work now. I am giving you 12 and after 3 months I'll give you 15,000, okay?
Don't lie. Okay.
Done, sure. I will not, I promise, okay? Do your work. Okay, do your work now.
Ma'am will die soon.
No, she will be fine. Don't worry. You just do your work now, okay? Auntie is very beautiful. Wow. She is sweeping now. Wow. Auntie! Huh?
Suman,
Oh,
what were you doing? Stop looking here and there and go and work.
Auntie, you? You are my auntie? By mistake, I thought she is my auntie.
What are you looking at? Go and do the cleaning. Sonu,
Yes.
you shouldn't entertain these maids. Now come inside.
Yes, auntie.
Now come, what are you looking at?
Yes, auntie. I'm sorry. What I did today morning, I am really sorry.
No problem.
By mistake, I thought you were my auntie and then I hugged you and I'm really sorry for that.
No problem. Mistakes happen.
I didn't know that for that only auntie will scold you. Please don't take her words very seriously.
This keeps on happening. She is the owner of house. By the way, where are you from?
I am from Lucknow, but I have come here to stay with uncle.
Okay. By the way, how long you're waiting here?
Not for many days. I just want to see Taj Mahal and then I wanted that if my uncle will show my Taj Mahal, then actually my holidays were going on, so I came here for a few days.
I really like that you said sorry to me. I thought that someone is worried about
Suman? Suman,
I
where have you lost?
have
Oh, okay. You were also. Tell me, if you keep such a beautiful lady as a servant, anybody will fall into the illusion.
Oh, is that so? How many times it has happened with you?
Me. Never.
Now I will show you what is true love.
Give me 1 minute, I'll just check. Hello?
Oh, this phone call always comes at a wrong time.
Yes, tell me. What? Okay. Okay, I'll come.
Again he's gone. No one's concerned about my bedroom life. Let him come today. I will show him.
Komal wanted only time from Suresh. And Suresh had never any time for Komal. Suresh was giving her everything, but not his time. And for that time, Komal will attract towards someone else or not. Come, let's see in the next story. Auntie! Auntie, there is no water in the washroom. Auntie, there is no water in the washroom. Auntie, there is no water in the washroom.
What did you say?
There is no water in the washroom.
Yeah, I'll check it.
Okay.
How many times I have told your uncle to get a good plumber? All these taps are not working. But he doesn't listen.
Oh, the water is here now.
Mm-hmm.
You can go outside. Oh.
What the hell are you doing? Leave my house right now, okay? And from tomorrow you don't have to come to work.
Please forgive me. From now on, this won't happen. Please forgive me.
Did you hear that? Get lost from here. And you! Don't you feel ashamed of doing such things with a maid?
I'm really sorry, Auntie. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Please don't tell this to anyone, please. Please, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't tell anyone. Sorry. Auntie, sorry.
Alright, fine. Now complete your match, which was incomplete,
Huh?
but with a new player.
I didn't get anything.
You are not that innocent.
After knowing the truth between Monu and Komal, why was Suresh silent? Is he planning something big? Come, let's watch it now. Uncle, you?
Suresh, you?
No, no. Yes, I am. Nephew. What about you, huh?
Suresh, please, before you think anything
No,
wrong,
uncle.
please listen to me once. Please.
You just shut up! You have nothing to say now,
No.
okay? You take this garland. Take this garland! Take this!
Suresh, what are you doing?
You both will have to get married right now in front of me. Do it now.
Suresh,
No.
why are
It
you
is a
doing
good
this?
time now. Do it fast. Both of you put garland on.
No, uncle, please, I'm sorry, uncle.
Put it now!
No,
Put
no,
it!
uncle.
Put it on her! Put it!
Please, uncle, please. I'm sorry, uncle.
Do it fast. Fast. Make it fast. Fast!
Uncle, I'm sorry, uncle. I'm sorry. Leave me, uncle. Leave me.
Hey, leave me. Leave my hand.
Leave it, uncle.
Leave it. Leave my hand.
Uncle, leave it.
Komal, shoot him. Kill him now. We will go to some other place. Kill him. You will fire me? Huh? You will fire me, huh?
Komal, what are you doing? I was your love, no?
Komal, kill him. Shoot him now. Only because of him, our family is destroyed now. Shoot him.
No, Komal. No, please.
Oh!
sorry, Suresh. Sorry, my young love, Sonu. Both of you forgive me. Because if then I would have kept any of you alive, then the whole life I've got to hear that I'm a cheater. That's why I have to kill both of you. Huh? Hello, police. I'm Komal calling from Sunshine Bungalow of Jeevan Nagar, bungalow number 402. Sir, here both uncle and nephew has killed each other by shooting. Please come fast. Yes, okay. Yes.
So did you see? If anyone turns into a devil, then there is no limitation for him. Whatever Komal has done, and if we disrespect her, that will be very bad. Actually, any bad relationship starts with a very good start, but it ends very badly. And exactly that happened with Monu. In today's episode, we had this much only. Let's see you in another episode. Namaskar.